Hey everybody, Steve McFarlane here, Mountain View Dodge. Here is your work van. 2025 ProMaster 3500 159-inch wheelbase, high roof so you can stand up inside. Let's see inside here when we open this door. Look at the height you got. All ready to mount shelving in or whatever you'd like to do. It does have some hooks in here so you can tie down stuff inside. Why would you want that? Well, when you walk around the back, let's open up the back doors. When I open up the back door, I can open it all the way like that. So that one all the way, I could drive in a skid. Drop my skid in here, be perfect. Look at the room. The height is unreal. So you got a backup camera and a camera inside that I'm going to show you as well. So you got backup sensors. We're going to go in the driver door. Got power mirrors. All your hookups. Adaptive cruise control. Big screen. Heated steering wheel. When you go in reverse, you got a backup camera there. But if you're driving, look at that. Got a camera right there. You can see out the back there, which is perfect. So you don't have to worry about trying to look in the back window because there is no back window. So it's also got a wireless charging pad, automatic. Like I said, this is ready to go. Brand spanking new. Give me a call at Mountain View Dodge, 403-556-7332. Have a fantastic day.